Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily uninstall Avast Antivirus from your Windows 11 computer. To begin, click on the search bar and type Settings. Click on the Settings option to open. On the left panel, click on Apps. On the first option, click on Installed Apps. You will need to wait a few seconds until the full overview is loaded or the full interface. We will locate Avast Antivirus and we will click on the three dots next to it. Next step, click Uninstall. Click again Uninstall. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes. You can go ahead and click Yes. You will need to wait a few seconds until the installation process starts. Here you can select Uninstall. You can select whatever reasons you want. And you can go ahead and click Uninstall. Then installation process will start and you will need to wait up to 2 minutes and it should be completely done by then. You can restart now or restart later. And the installation is completed. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.